This is what our fridge looks like right now. It's not full and not perfectly organized. The top shelf is mostly drinks, and as you can see, it's almost empty. This is where I keep everyday things. Eggs, natto, and these are kombu and umeboshi. They go really well with rice. It's pretty simple this week. This is miso. Here we keep all the sauces and seasonings. This part of the freezer is for baby food. Here I have fish, chicken, and egg yolk. This part I keep frozen vegetables and meat. It helps me cook quickly on busy days. I'll show you how I prepare the meat next. After my baby goes to sleep, I usually do small things like this or finish whatever housework is left. Finally, this is the vegetable drawer. We still have a good amount left. We're running low on some things, so we'll probably go grocery shopping soon.